To the knowledge series. Today, under Easy Way to Basics of LaTeX, you are going to learn on footnote. This is the reference book. Footnote in LaTeX, it is just like in a conventional way, we used to highlight any particular important content in terms of the numbering or in the form of a certain standard of the important words in the bottom of the text, so that it will signifies what exactly it pertains to. So there are different formats of the footnotes. As you can see, a standard formats is the one that is normally used to highlight on the bottom side with respect to the numbering. Those are nothing but a standard formats, and in the standard format footnotes, it is marked in a small font with the raised numbers. There are non-standard format is also there, and that means if you want to reset that number, you can introduce a different numbering and you can create those particular format. So those are nothing but non-standard formats. The basic commands, as you are well aware about my earlier video series, over which I have stated that what is the minimum command to execute a LaTeX file. That is nothing but the / with document class, then followed by begin documents, and followed by the bottom side the end documents. In between the begin document and the end document is the content, and of course there is a use package that is being used in the preamble modes. So here in the when you want to create a footnote, you have to give a / with the footnote, and you have to write what you are exactly going to highlight with respect to the text that you would like to show. So here when you see the / footnote and with the curly brace, you are writing here, right here, that need to footnote. So here this is the text, footnote tested okay. So that means this footnote tested okay, this particular command, it has to write like a / footnote with in a footnote tested okay. The moment you write this command, automatically it will execute. So you can see here on the bottom side the footnote tested okay, it has appeared and it is numbered as 1. So this will create a footnote in the bottom and the citations of the footnote here as a number 1. So it will be shown as a number 1. There is another example is the Kerala / footnote, and it is being shown as capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. So that is what it is being shown. So if you type in this particular order, automatically this will appear Kerala 2. That means this 2 is indicated in the capital of Kerala is Trivandrum. So actually this is for your reference purpose, it is being shown that when you write like this one, but when you execute, this will not appear. It will be showing in the form of words or the footnotes in the bottom of the text with the mark of one line is being shown. Below that one, it is appearing as a footnote. Even you can create a footnote with different styles. You can create with different fonts, and you can feel the appearance in the appearance of the footnote at the bottom sides. Even the footnote numbering styles like alphabet, Arabic, Roman, alphabetic, uppercase, lowercase, everything is possible. Of course, you can try by referring the reference with multiple example. There are some issues in the footnote. Footnote, it do not work with table as it is not appropriate. And footnote also don't work inside the mini page environments. That is the another point. Even you can create the margin on the top side, even the on the bottom side, with respect to the way you are seeing the footnotes using a use package, fancy HTR, and based on that you can insert uh, uh, the the foot like a header on the top header or the bottom header. That is possible in the form of a header or a footer. You can able to create, just like here you are seeing the footer, you can create and the header also on the top. So these are the contents which you should know while writing a book, because particularly footnotes are being experienced more on in the textbooks. So with this, let me conclude here. Thank you.